Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Suddenly, we will use different types of problem on Telegram apps. But when Telegram apps install your Google Play Store on Android phone, then not open but or not logging to you. This problem face several people, but very easy solve this problem. Solve this issue. First check your mobile phone display and setting icon. When setting icon, search and click this option and your mobile phone display this face showing. Then scroll down and when get apps option click and second option manage apps option click and your mobile all apps showing this option. Now upper side showing search option click and types Telegram. When get Telegram apps and click this option and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now yes permission option click yes permission option click and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now you problem face apps not opening this mobile phone and click this option and back. Now search your mobile phone display apps Google Play Store. Click this option and upper side showing search option. Click search option and types Telegram apps search and showing your mobile phone display Telegram apps and open this option. Now this problem is solved.